In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from AutoDS. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to connect your payout method so your funds can reach you smoothly. First, open your AutoDS account and head to your dashboard. Make sure you're signed in on a secure, trusted device, and take a quick look at your available balance so you know what's ready for withdrawal. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. AutoDS updates layouts from time to time, but the options you need are in the same general place. Next, go to Settings. You'll typically find this as a gear icon or in the left-hand sidebar. Settings is where all your account controls live, including payment and wallet options. Inside Settings, select AutoDS Wallet. Think of the AutoDS Wallet as your hub for incoming funds and outgoing payouts. This is where AutoDS consolidates your earnings and lets you manage how and where money gets transferred. Take a moment to review what's displayed, your balances, recent activity, and any notices related to payouts. Within the AutoDS wallet, you'll see the option to sign up for a Payoneer account. AutoDS uses Payoneer as its payout partner, which means Payoneer is the service that actually moves the money to you. If you don't have a Payoneer account yet, click to create one. You'll be guided through Payoneer's sign-up flow. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and make sure the information you provide matches your AutoDS business details. Consistent information helps prevent delays. Depending on your region and account type, Payoneer may ask for verification. That's normal and helps keep your account secure. If you already have a Payoneer account, choose the option that says you already have one and sign in to link it. You'll be directed through a secure authorization process so AutoDS and Payoneer can connect. Take your time to confirm you're signing in on official pages and only enter your details where prompted. Once your Payoneer account is connected, you can withdraw your money from the AutoDS wallet. Return to the wallet view and look for the withdrawal or transfer option. Select the amount you want to move, confirm the destination in your linked Payoneer account, and finalize the action. Processing times can vary based on your region, currency, and Payoneer's timelines, so give it a little time if it doesn't appear instantly. Also be aware that minimum withdrawal amounts and fees may apply. These are set by the platforms and can change. That's it. Open your AutoDS account, go to Settings, access the AutoDS wallet, connect Payoneer, either by creating a new account or signing into an existing one, and then withdraw your funds. Keep your account details consistent and secure, and you'll have a smooth payout experience.